Scoring Secrets, TOEFL and IELTS Speaking Section. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll delve deep into understanding the scoring criteria for the speaking sections of both the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Knowing what examiners look for can boost your score and confidence. So, let's get started. The TOEFL speaking section consists of 4 tasks, and each one is scored on a scale of 0 to 4. The combined score is then converted to a scaled score of 0 to 30. Here's what examiners focus on. 1. Delivery. This refers to how clear your speech is. Do you pronounce words clearly? Is your volume appropriate? 2. Language use. Your grasp on English grammar and vocabulary comes into play here. Are you using varied sentence structures? Is your vocabulary diverse and apt for the context? 3. Topic development. This measures how well you answer the question. Did you provide relevant details? Was your response well organized? For best results, practice speaking clearly, enrich your vocabulary, and always address the prompt directly. The IELTS speaking test is divided into 3 parts and is scored on a band scale of 0 to 9. Examiners look at 4 main criteria. 1. Fluency and coherence. How well do you speak without unnecessary pauses? Is your response logically structured? 2. Lexical resource. This concerns your range of vocabulary. Can you use varied vocabulary to discuss different topics? 3. Grammatical range and accuracy. How varied are your sentence structures? Are they grammatically correct? 4. Pronunciation. Can the examiner understand what you're saying? Do you pronounce words correctly? It's essential to practice speaking at length on different topics, improve your vocabulary, maintain grammatical accuracy, and work on clear pronunciation. 1. Practice, practice, practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Join a speaking club or find a partner. 2. Listen actively. Listening to native speakers helps improve pronunciation and intonation. 3. Stay calm and relaxed. Nervousness can hinder clarity. Take deep breaths before you start speaking. 4. Plan briefly. Before speaking, especially in tasks where you get preparation time, quickly jot down or mentally plan your response. 5. Stay relevant. Always stick to the topic. Irrelevant answers can reduce your score. There you have it. Understanding the scoring criteria is the first step towards acing the speaking sections of TOEFL and IELTS. We hope this breakdown helps you understand what's expected and guides you in your preparation. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your test preparation.